Hello. Welcome to Use of Wiki Pages for Student Lab Report, presented by Joanne Noble, a chemistry teacher at Shaler Area High School in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. In this presentation, the following topics will be discussed. Slide 1 will answer the question, what is a wiki page? Slide 2 will point out the advantages of using wiki pages in the classroom. Slide 3 will provide an example of a lab wiki template created in Blackboard, and Slide 4 will provide an example of what a partially completed lab wiki page might look like. Slides 5 and 6 will provide directions on how to create a lab wiki template in Blackboard. So just exactly what is a wiki page? A wiki page is a website that allows for the easy creation and editing of any number of interlinked web pages. It invites users to edit any page or to create new pages within the wiki website. Wikis are often used for a specific purpose, and in such cases, users use their editorial rights to remove material that is considered off-topic. A short introduction to wikis can be viewed by clicking on the link for Wikis in Plain English. This video clip shows how a wiki can be used by a group of individuals planning and organizing a camping trip. So what are some of the advantages of using wiki pages in the classroom? First, collaboration between students allows them to learn from one another, both in terms of viewing each other's content, but also by seeing the quality of other students' work. Seeing other students' work on a continuous basis can cause a student to evaluate his or her own work and see how it compares in quality. The comparison may cause the student to raise his or her own work to a higher level. Second, students tend to develop higher level critical thinking skills by critiquing other students' work and by learning to defend their own views when critiqued by other students. Third, when students working collaboratively on one document, it encourages each student to do more investigative work. When one's information is critiqued as incorrect or inadequate, the student is likely to do additional research to respond to the critiques. Fourth, when students work collaboratively on a wiki, they must create and agree on the structures, forms, and methods that are necessary to accomplish their collaborative task. When students negotiate the use of space, it leads to a better understanding of the social processes that underlie any collaborative activity. And finally, when students work collaboratively on a wiki, class members get the opportunity to meet one another, which promotes the sense of having a classroom community. This slide shows an example of a lab wiki template which I created in Blackboard to be used in my chemistry classes. This is a blank template which provides the major sections in a student's completed lab report. Which sections of a lab report you choose to include can be decided by you when creating your own template. Templates can be designed as either a standard template, which could be used for all experiments, or you can create new templates for each specific experiment. I've chosen to create specific templates for each individual experiment as indicated in my example, so that I may include a different data table for each experiment. Now let's take a look at what a partially completed lab wiki might look like. This slide shows what a partially completed lab wiki might look like. The pre-lab sections have been completed along with the data in the data table. Students can complete the lab wiki template by using different colored fonts, which allows the teacher to know which student contributed what information. The students will continue to complete the lab wiki collaboratively by reading and editing each other's information. The students must agree upon their final edit prior to submitting the wiki for a grade. Let's now take a look at the steps for creating a wiki page template. Step 1 is accessing the Blackboard platform. In my school district, Blackboard is accessed from the school district's homepage. Once Blackboard has been accessed, one must log in to the site by entering one's username and password. After logging in, a new page will appear. At the top of this page, click on the tab Classes. Again, a new window will appear listing the classes which you teach assuming your district is utilizing the Blackboard platform. Select the class in which you would like to create a Lab Wiki template. On the home page of your selected class, you will see a menu at the bottom left of the screen titled Classroom Management. If necessary, click on the drop-down menu of the control panel. Click on Class Tools. A drop-down menu will appear. Scroll down to the very bottom and click on Wikis. A new window called Wikis will appear. Click on Create Wiki. A new page called Create Wiki page will appear where you can begin to add the content to your template. Once you are finished, click the Submit button at the lower right corner of the page.